And then look what I found, y'all. If you were following me from the very first video, my first apartment tour in my 1-bedroom in DC, remember? Pastor's wife with the tight curls, spritz on deck. Looking like a pastor's wife. For you. Yes. For you. Y'all remember that video? Hello FLLS fam, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator, and here on the channel I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Heavy on the home organization and decor, as some of you may know. In today's video, we'll be moving on from phase 1 of our home office makeover to phase 2, adding additional storage elements and decorating. Yes. It seems like moving in and unpacking was so stressful, and our once cluttered office is so serene. Cannot wait to get started with you on phase 2. Let's go. And now for my favorite part, office decor and office organization. Let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and talk storage. There was a little bit of space left after inserting that additional bookcase, but I found good use by putting my tripods in there. I ordered an Amazon bookcase, really narrow, so we'll see how that turns out. Stay tuned. And as for the shelf storage, I'm using these IKEA bins to store DSLR cameras, equipment, handheld tripods, and other small items that can fit in these smaller bins. I went ahead and added some half panel wood doors to a few of the bookcases, and then went in and filled in the cases with all of my books. Now, this is still a work in progress, so stay tuned for a organization video where I'm organizing all of my items inside of the office. And I really need your help on something. Should I go ahead and just add half panel wood doors across all of the bookcases so all of the lower shelving is concealed? I still have some full length glass doors for the Billy bookcase, and I initially thought that in this office space I could put those glass doors on the tall bookcases and leave the half wood panel doors on the shorter bookcases. But now I'm thinking I should just do half wood panel doors across the entire bottom and cover all of the lower shelving. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I put out some artwork and I'm still waiting on the curtain rods to come in. But y'all, I love it, love it, love it. Okay, I was tripping before. This is my favorite part, the final reveal. So I wouldn't be me if I didn't come to the end of the video with something else. So don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what type of doors should I do on the bookcase. I actually think I'm gonna start hanging some artwork here. I was looking for a book stand that is like the cane rattan book stand, you know, like the arch top, kind of like bookshelf type things that you've been seeing lately, like in Target and CB2 and so forth. However, I'm thinking I might just go ahead and hang my memorabilia, degrees, some pictures. Yep, some pictures. Let me show you real quick. The linen blend curtains here, ready to go when those curtain rods finally come in. My God. I have this white frame. I think I'm just gonna put a picture in there. And then look what I found, y'all. If you were following me from the very first video, my first apartment tour in my 1-bedroom in DC. Remember? Pastor's wife with the tight curls, spritz on deck. Looking like a pastor's wife. Y'all remember that video? I'll link it at the end of this video for you to check out. If you have not been following me and are just joining the channel, go check it out. I had to edit some of the music, so anyway. Needless to say, I have my undergraduate degree and my law school degree. I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and put those in like kind of like woven rattan frames or like earthy looking frames and put all of them here. If I don't find that arch tower bookshelf thing, I will put all of them there. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all go because you know I ramble. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.